Well, good morning and welcome to this week's Head Teachers broadcast. It is now Monday, the 17th of November, and it is a cold one this morning. And I saw from the forecast that there may well be snow on lower ground tomorrow. So, time to look out the big coat, the hat, the scarves, and the gloves to wrap up warm. Now, I want to start with the uniform this week. Really been a bit disappointed with the quality and standard of uniform. Seems to be slipping in the last few weeks. Relaunch this morning of a whole new load of incentives. Now, you remember we had some debate over these uniform ticket cards. The fact that I've been handing them out over the last couple of years, only me, and it might be that on the one day that you happen to get this ticket and you don't wear the uniform the rest of the year, then it would seem a little bit unfortunate that you've won the prize at the end of term, given that other people's are wearing uniform every single day and are not getting a ticket because they don't happen to see me. So that seems a little bit unfair. So we're going to make a little change to that starting from today, and that is that all of my deputy head teachers will be given a bundle of these tickets, and they'll be also handing out tickets for pupils in full school uniform. So your chance of winning the prizes at the end of this end of this term, which is a whopping £250 Amazon gift voucher, will be massively increased because it won't just be me that gives out the tickets, also Miss McCall, Mrs Slater, Mr Kilpatrick and Miss Bentink. So if you see them and you're wearing the uniform, give them a big smile and you'll get one of these tickets and you'll be entered into the draw. So also going to reintroduce the golden ticket. I wonder if I've got one that I can show you just now. I don't, but yeah, I'm going to introduce the golden ticket. If you've got a golden ticket, that means that you are entitled to join the people on the bus at the end of term and they go off for an adventure, maybe something nice to eat, and then come back on that last day of term. So you get a special treat if you've got a golden ticket. Now, to get a golden ticket, you can be selected as one of the pupils of the week, which I take from the Merit League tables. You've also got a golden ticket if you are in the winning squad in the Merit League tables. And I'm going to introduce a thing today called Smart Squad. And that is that if you happen to be in a squad that I visit in the morning where every single pupil in the squad is in a uniform without exception, then all of that class will be given a golden ticket. So the entire squad will be allowed to go on the end of term trip. So that's a thing called Smart Squad. So that's going to start today. And if I happen to come into your squad and you are all wearing the school uniform, then every single person in that squad without will get a golden ticket. And also, we're going to introduce a weekly draw next Monday. So if your number raffle ticket comes up at the next Monday, if I read out your number, then you can come down and collect your golden ticket as well. So lots of ways in which you can get entered into the end of term trip. But we're going to be introducing two major things from today in that the deputies can give out the uniform tickets. I'll also be looking at squads to see if there is a smart squad out there. Okay, so in squads this week, you will be looking at Shine, preparing for doing the Shine survey, and your squad leader will tell you all about that. There was no Fantasy Football League this week, but we do have the Merit League table. So in third place with 661 points is Squad Nemo, and then further up is Squad Ohana, but right out in the lead is Squad Little Dog Leash. I don't know how they do it. I think they must be pestering teachers to get those merit points. You can do the same. See if anyone can catch Little Dog Leash. They are miles out in front. On Thursday morning this week, we have our School Leaver Profile Skills Conference where we invite lots of our partners into the school to celebrate our profile and see if it's still relevant. So looking forward to that. And then just finally, just delighted to announce that Banff Academy on Thursday evening managed to receive an Excellence Award from the Convention of Scottish Local Authorities, known as COSLA, for improving partnerships. So well done to everybody for that national award which Banff Academy got on Thursday. So yeah, looking forward to everyone looking smart. The reason that we wear uniform, remember, is for lots of reasons, for not just being smart and working hard, which it does help you to do, but it's also for security. So when I'm looking around the school and I see somebody who's not in uniform, I'm wondering who they are. Also, it makes us all feel really equal. There's not all the competition about who's wearing what. And also it means that you're great ambassadors for the school. It means you're good for the reputation of the school. I'm really pleased if you wear the uniform. It gets you into that mode of working and learning, and then when you get home you can change into the clothes that you relax in, and so you're in that different frame of mind. So get yourself back into uniform, see if you can win one of those tickets. Weekly golden ticket up for grabs, and then the £250 at the end of term. So good luck. Look out for my deputies for those tickets, and I'll speak to you again next week.